Hi, my name is Inge Patsch and welcome to the series Visions for a Better Future. Today I want to talk about Ubuntu or the gift economy. Ubuntu or the gift economy is a very visionary concept which is imagining that economy can actually work without any monetary means. So Ubuntu starts from the premise or from the worldview that we actually live in an abundance, so that we have all materials we need and we don't need actually any physical means of exchange such as money in order to provide all provisioning for our life. So Ubuntu has Ubuntu, this idea of gift economy has a few premises. So for example, we have to learn how we provide gifts actually. So we should come more into a culture again where we are actually giving gifts. And that this is actually happening at a very broad scale at the moment. Just think about in my region, for example, many people are making jams at home and they would give them among family members and friends. So there are also some theoreticians which are saying gift economy is happening right now, right here. So, but this is, of course, I think one thing we have to look into how are gifts provided. Another thing some people are saying, for example, Charles Eisenstein, also we have to think about how actually are we able to receive gifts. So he would claim that in our Western society, we are more able to give a gift, but less able to actually receive a gift, because when you receive a gift, they actually build up some kind of social debt, so you feel like indebted. And that this is also something which probably in a gift economy would be different, where you're not like, you're feeling, oh, he gifted me like this much, so I should give big that much. But that you're able to, first of all, accept that you have a relationship with a person again, so you're like not debt-free, but you have this social relationship. And then also question the notion whether this has to be reciprocal, so one against another, or this can be differently. There is further the idea of saying gifting should be a public act. So when you gift publicly to somebody else, you kind of build up your social capital. So people see that you give a lot. People are acknowledging that you are a very open-hearted person, that you say whatever you don't need at the moment, you give it away, so you don't hoard things, but you have the trust the community is also looking after you. For me, this is the understanding, to say it with French sociologist Bourdieu. You basically, in a gift economy, you don't work so much with like monetary capital, but you more work with social capital, which you increase because you do your gift giving in a public realm, and community will realize that you're very generous, and hence when you are in need, things will come back to you. So I personally am aware about two big thinkers about it, but I'm sure there are many more out there. One is, for example, Michael Tellinger with his Ubuntu movement. You can check out on his website. And another one, which I personally was reading, is Charles Eisenstein's idea of sacred economics, where he also talks about how gift economies are the future, but also he gives a lot of practical tips on how it can be now. So I hope you have enjoyed this very brief introduction in what gift economies is, and I hope you enjoy digging